with my... Alright. What's up, YouTube? Boy D Black. Back with another video, man. All I'm gonna say is... TRX. That's all I'm gonna say. What y'all still staring at me for? You can't even hold the camera right, bro? That's all I gotta say, y'all. TRX. That's why y'all click this video. TRX. Now stop staring at me. Alright, y'all. I'm about to pull up to the softball stadium. My homie Jalen, he about to play softball. But we not going to watch him play softball. We're going to see that. We going to see that. I'm just saying though. TRX twins. I ain't gonna say twins, but like, bro, TRX is crazy, bro. Like, nobody gets a TRX. Everybody want a track hawk. Everybody want to... Man, that shit loud as hell. Everybody want a track hawk. Everybody want a Durango. Everybody want... I mean, they don't want the Durangos for real. I want the Durango, but everybody want them just a regular cat. This man popped TRX after having a red eye. Love that shit, boy. So I'm excited to go see what he got going on. I'll get up with y'all in a second. All right, y'all. We pulling into the softball stadium, man, bro. I'm excited like it's mine or something. Like, bro, that is TRX game. Like, that's how you coming? I wonder where he parked at. And he better still be in the car. Or I'm gonna break jaw. Hey, all these goddamn cars. It's busting. There's somebody talking about, hey. I ain't letting all y'all lads go now. I gotta see where they parked at. Oh, it's over there. You can't miss that big ass beefy motherfucker. Yeah. You can't miss it. I know they like, why he driving like this? Cause, ooh, that nigga got him a TRX, mama. Ooh, that bitch tough. That bitch tough, gay. Damn, he can't drive. He can't drive, boy. Y'all, look at this, bro. Look at this. You wanna take it? Just show me. Bro, look at this, gang. This nigga, look, I parked this. Look how he parked. Look how this man parked, bro. Alright, look at this. Come on, cuz. Niggas do what they want when they get them a TRX, gang. This bitch over tough. Stupid tough. Eee, look at them boys back to back. He got him his own little custom emblem and everything. Eee. Then I got my little, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got no what you call it yet. No little badge yet. But this mug tough. That big ass green in there. Look how he parked though. That nigga dumb, dude. I parked the same way. I'm bogus as hell. Alright. I'm selfish, y'all. Be honest. I don't know, bro. When you got a fat ass truck, bro, you kind of just park how you want to park. And it's really sad. You just feel like you like the king of like, you know what I'm saying? That nigga popped TRX. That black tough. Huh? What you think? Yeah. That mug tough. That nigga popped TRX, gang. Bro, I'm so proud of him, bro. I can't wait to go see him. He already playing softball, so I can't even, you know what I'm saying? He's supposed to have waited on me, but the nigga forgot about me. It's all right. It be like that. Monkey. I mean,
Both of them, y'all. Both of them. Alright, my fault. I just picked up the camera and started doing some bull. I picked up the camera and started making Hellcat noises. You mad at me for that or not?
hell nah.
Oh, alright.
I'm proud of him. That shit is crazy, bro. TRX is insane.
I'm proud of y'all.
That is
I'm proud of us.
$100,000 vehicle, gang. $100,000, bro. That's like, I'm really. Like,
can we just like look at it one more time though?
Can I look?
Don't get mad at me for looking at it.
That mug tough, cuz.
Hey, y'all see him though? Like, that's crazy though. Like side by side. He been waiting on this too though. He been waiting on this.
We've been talking about this for so long, bro. Before he got his other car, he's supposed to got a TRX. He like, nah. Got him a Challenger. He's like, man, I missed the Challenger. Now he popped TRX, man. I'm proud of him, bro.
That's crazy.
We finna go meet up with him. You saw it, bro. Come on, now that big ass trip. You know I see that.
Hey.
Congratulations, boy.
See him? See him?
That's how you coming, kid. Yeah, bro, that mug got a custom sign and everything, bro. That shit cold, bro. That's how you coming.
I wanted to be his twin, man. I had to.
Bro, that shit not real, bro. Bro, we gotta. I'm not gonna say cut up, but we gotta drive.
They gotta move at the back now, dude. Hey, but look, move his pack, man. I'm trying to tell you, dude.
That's inspiration, y'all. Young black men. Young black men. You know what I'm saying? Just, you know what I'm saying? That's really crazy, bro. I'm damn near speechless, bro. Like, he just had a red. I don't even know if he traded it in or not, but man, bro. I'll get up with y'all in a second.
Nigga got a step on it, motherfucker. That's what you use it for.
Why is he talking to us like that, bro?
I'm on don't work with you. Wait, nigga.
Let me see. Get your little ass in there and jump in that motherfucker.
You gotta have two. You gotta have two strands of facial hair to get in there,
bitch. Your ass gonna boing.
Get in there. Get in there.
Jay, let me look at the inside of this joint, cuz.
So he can get in there.
Let me just get in. Let me get in. Ooh.
I like these.
He got the red interior or red trim. Ooh, this fine. Damn, Jay.
Nah, he can do that. He can wait to do that. Let them up a tailgate y'all put his bag in it. Put his bag
Jay, is feel real, cuz?
Yeah, dog, it's alright, man.
Alright. You done did it 3 times. You done did it 3 times, cuz. 3 Hellcats is crazy, I ain't gonna lie. Damn, cuz. We gotta get in traffic.
Got to.
My boy got him up. That's not real, bro. TRX though, cuz. Yeah. I gotta get my badge in her back again. I'm so proud of him, bro. That nigga done had 3 Hellcats. He might as well go something else. We in traffic with it, y'all. The big beefs. I wonder when he gonna call his shit. Let's see what my window is before I get the... That's tough, bro. His do look taller too. The beefs. He gotta get the like a badge on the side type. You know what I'm saying? Like you know how mine is, y'all? How I got the fat badge on this. Damn, they just pulling out in front of him. That look tough. Damn, he snapped, bro. I'm proud of him, bro. That is not real, bro. It's like I'm reliving my moment, gang. Like that's different. TRX is different. I understand cats and all that, but being in a big beef, come on, man. It's a totally different thing. Totally different. Look at that. Ooh, wee. He don't even know how to drive that bitch. He in the middle of the road. Look at him. He in the middle of the road with that bitch. You can't drive that shit. Bro, that's crazy, bro. Nigga got a big ass TRX. I gotta get inside him. Get him. Yeah. He probably got his shit in the bottom. wet as hell outside. Hell no. He got that shit. Alright, y'all. I was supposed to do it for the content. That's my bad, y'all. It's a TRX. Y'all know what a TRX is. They slow. You just hear that. What? Where's he going? What the hell? I guess we changing spots. I could have sworn he said. Let's see where they going. Oh, okay. Switch spots, I guess. That's crazy. I keep saying that, but bro.